Today we talk about how can you use record tests on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on recorded here, just click on it. When you click here on recorded, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on recorded here test, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on perform chess, and here add number, and when you add it here, and here can you use it record